When we designed this home, we had in mind a single man that is stylish. Material, color, shape are really important for him and the furniture that he's been choosing. For me, one of the main learning when we designed this home, it was the mix between closed and open storage. But how open storage can really show your personality and not just being functional, but also beautiful in the same time. We are in the hallway, and we know that most of the time the hallway is the first place where people coming in. With the open storage, we can show the passion of his collections, that he's got different kind of hat. And then also they are both for display, but also easy to grab and when you want to wear it. Then on the bottom we have a closed storage to hide away things that most of the time he doesn't want to show. Printer, stationery, something that you don't use that often, but they need to be in an easy reach. They are just behind doors. So the kitchen is really kind of everything close behind doors and sleek and clean. But also we want to show what this person is passionate about. Here you can see a coffee station where he have his favorite coffee machine, where he have his grandmother a reminder. There is memory from maybe his trip, and everything is functional, practical, but also really beautiful. And last, we are here in the bathroom. This person is really like to take care of himself, so he create a stationery with all his barber equipment. They are easy to move and give like a sense of barber shop. And in the same time, all the other stuff that he doesn't really want to show is keep it in a closed cabinet above. Think about storage as something that it is beautiful. Think about storage, about something that can emphasize who you are. So the mix between open and closed storage give a great balance to this home.